Good evening everyone, Alice here from Safi Financial Network. Today is October 19, 2022. Here is another daily analysis for S&P 500. Without wasting any time, let's go to the daily chart. Here's the daily chart, and as you know, market had an ugly day today. The volume was decent just because we are in option expiration week, so the volume is up. We had earning for Tesla after hours, and that initiate a decent sharp sell-off after hours. So if you see here, so this is the daily chart, daily candle. I told you in last video that we need to close above 37.66 to get this to this shorting area or a huge resistance area, but we didn't close above this, just a two touch right there, and then price is coming back down, just retracing back from SMA 20. So where are we at? So it is very important we are staying above SMA 20, but I would say as long as we are below 3700, we are in a bearish momentum still. We are not in a bullish momentum. So Monday we had nice rally to the upside. Tuesday followed through, but Wednesday, as I expected a wacky day, but I didn't expect this sharp sell-off is coming. And right now it is after hours. Market start just below closing price, and right now it's above 36.89 point for S&P 500. So all in all, we should keep an eye on this week. This week is very, very important just because lots of earnings are coming. Still lots of earnings are coming to the place, and option expiry for the Friday. That would be very, very important level as well. So again, just keep an eye on the market. If it consolidates here, still we can have upside bias to probably 3800 to 38 to 3900, but that would be the final, I wouldn't spot before a washout low to the downside. Like I have got very, very lower prices for S&P 500. Still we have lots of room to go down, so even this upside, that would be great opportunity for rebalancing and reload to your short position as well. So all right, go to hourly 4 hours chart. Okay, so here is the 4 hours chart. As you see here, we couldn't close above this area, which is 3800, just 37.66. That would be the top, and this pattern is kind of like, it is not a good pattern. If we stay above this pivotal point, that would be a good sign for bulls. Still they can catch up to 38 to 3900, but so far this pattern seems like we are consolidating. So this choppy consolidation needs to hold at least above this level 3600. If we go down and if we take out this pivot, that would be very ugly, and I will let you know in 4 hours chart. But again, there is nothing strong that I can see in the chart. It's all just a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and then this ABC up seems like the end of the correction. Again, we need to just watch out the market closely. But if we take out this pivot, and let me go to hourly chart, because hourly chart is giving us better forecast for this. So let me just zoom in here just a bit. All right, and forget about this. Okay, so as you see here, we are in a lower low, lower high price action. So if price is coming down below this 36.60, so just keep an eye on that. 36.60, any closing below 36.60 in 1 hour chart, that would be the initial sell-off for S&P to coming down to this pivotal area. And if we take out this pivotal area, that would be the great head and shoulder or QM pattern, I should say. Let me just draw it here, what I'm expecting. So if it comes here and if it take out this pivot, so just imagine if you're taking this low and then coming down, take out this low as well. So coming down here to 35 or something like that, 3600. Then any upside I would say probably to again 3600, that would be great selling opportunity. So just to give me a second, I'm gonna just point it out like this. Coming down, taking out this pivot, upside probably to this level. I'm not sure even if we get to this level, but let's say 3684 or 3650, then that would be great setup for this pattern. So just keep an eye on that. If we take out this pivot, market is coming down to hold this area. If it doesn't hold this area and take out this pivot, then that would be just a spike coming down like this and then sharp sell up like that. So that would be the pattern that I'm looking for if this triggers. So again, there is no forecast. I'm not forecasting it, even I'm not sure if this pattern formed out, but I'm just looking for the right setup to be at the right time for the market. And like this is another smaller time frame or smaller price action as a QM pattern. You see, so here's the high, here's the low, here's the high, take out this, going all the way up to here, it doesn't take out this high. Look what happened after that. So it comes all the way down to here to this demand area. So this shadow is very, very important for hourly chart. If we take out this shadow, then the S&P 500 is initiating the downside move to 3579 to 3600. And if we take out this pivot, any upside would be shorting opportunity. Okay. I think I wrapped up everything here for today. There is nothing much to say. We just need to pay attention to the price action. Very volatile week this week, next week, especially on Friday. So just keep an eye on this. If you don't want to play in volatile market like this, just stay away. Keep your cash on your pocket. Sit at your desk and do nothing. Just enjoy the market and see how price action is forming. Have a fantastic evening. See you on the chart. Bye-bye.